as you can see here, you would just click on that duet button. So this was a cool example of a video that I had done on how to get your website onto Google faster. Welcome back to my How to Leverage TikTok to Grow Your Business series. My name is Austin Armstrong, your TikTok guide to dominating your industry on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do duets, just like you can see over here on TikTok, and how you can actually leverage duets to grow your account and grow your business faster on TikTok. Duets are an absolutely amazing way to add context or add your 2 cents to a trending video or just another video in general. It lets you add your expertise and really tie into other popular videos. It's a really cool feature and functionality within TikTok. The first thing that you're going to want to do is find a video that you want to duet, whether you're scrolling through your For You page or you're following, or you've already found a video. Pull that video up on your phone. The next thing that you're going to want to do is down on the right-hand side here, you're going to see this little arrow icon. That's for the share. You're going to click on that. And then down here on this bottom row, there's going to be an option that says duet. Now, one quick important thing is if that duet button is grayed out and you cannot click on it, that just means that the original video creator has turned off the duet feature on that video. So unfortunately, you cannot do a duet with that video. If it's all well and good, as you can see here, you would just click on that duet button. It's going to load and process this. And after it's done processing, it's going to pull up this duet camera mode. It defaults to side by side, but you can change the layout here on the right-hand side. You can change it to green screen, which puts the original video in the background. You can change it to React, which puts it up here. You can also, if you tap on it, you can move this, this React around, and you can do top and bottom, or you can switch it just like that. Really easy to do. When you're ready with your functionality or format that you want to do, you just hold down the red record button as you will, add your 2 cents. Another important thing to note before you actually record is if you want to talk, if you want to say something in the video, over the video, you want to make sure that the mic is checked on. It's going to default to turning your microphone off so the original video plays. If you want to say something, you don't have to. You just click on that mic button and it's going to allow you to talk over it. Then when you're ready, you're just going to hold down the red button like so. Continue to talk, add your context. This is really cool. Check out what he just said. There's a bunch of different things that you can do here. When you're ready, then from there, you can just click on the red check mark down in the bottom. It's going to take you into the review mode where you can add, additional text if you want. You can add stickers here. You can add closed captions on there. And then when you're ready, you can just post it. Now, let me show you a couple examples of how to actually use duets on TikTok to grow your business, grow your expertise, and add context to your industry. So this was a cool example of a video that I had done on how to get your website onto Google faster. Shout out to Megan Gersh. She duetted my video and decided to add context, right? She added little text bubbles up there that adds her perspective and her expertise to what I'm talking about. There's only so much that we can say in a short TikTok video, but you can stack on top of it and add more clarity and context. Let me show you another really cool example of this. This will literally work in any industry. Roger Wakefield, the expert plumber, really nice guy, by the way, does this exceptionally well, does duets constantly. Here's one. He just finds a video of somebody doing something with plumbing, or his team finds it, and he adds clarity. He explains what they're doing in this video, why it's beneficial, and he's building up trust because he's explaining what's happening in the video. Roger is an expert at doing duets in the plumbing industry. Go check his channel out. If this was helpful and you want even more TikTok guidance on how you can leverage this platform to grow your business, I have a free TikTok for Business checklist in the description below. And I want you to watch this next video right here as well, where I deep dive into some more TikTok strategies that you're gonna love. I'll see you in that video.